And the pair at North Boston is 78.111.
You ready to rock and ride?
Yeah, I'm ready to roll.
Why?
Mind your way, Nancy.
You're fine.
Well, you can,
You were good,
you can
Lisa.
slap your horse on his ass if you want. Come on, team, let's go. Let's get it going on.
I know, Lisa. I thought that looked great.
I had fun.
And right now it's 5.
I love her.
What's that? Did you do that one too?
Yeah,
I did do that one. I got to the third jump, and I got it right. Like he buzzed right, and then I jumped. So I got a good time on that one. But you know, I haven't been doing any of the Saturday lessons this fall because we have soccer.
I know, I've been wondering where you
So,
were.
yes, September and October in soccer and gymnastics kind of back to back on Saturday morning. Soccer at 9, yeah, and then gymnastics is 11:30. So I jumped around a little bit yesterday. Last time I jumped before that was the last CSJ I did, which was not last week. It was
Yeah.
The one in September.
yeah.
Well, I thought that looked great.
It's just so much fun. I mean, you just kind of press her forward and point, you know, and it works.
Aww. Hi, Susie. Oh, Tyson's been clipped. Doesn't he look nice? Yeah, he looks nice.
It's all good. Like ABC.
And that counts for something. It's going to count for something.